Hello everyone. So I have created a high converting product page for my client. So as you can see, I'm not gonna say it's too much high converting because I'm working on it. Just I wanna show you what I did for my client. Okay. So to design our store. So as you can see, guys. So one more thing is still unavailable here. So which is like, let me show you what I mean. So basically, I actually added the Shopify app. So this app may be not working. This is the bundle apps. So let me show you what I mean. So basically, the bundle apps mean Vital, not this one. The bundle. Okay, so maybe my client deleted the app, so let me check it from my store. So basically, what I'm trying to show you, so this is my product page. Unfortunately this is unavailable, so I'm gonna fix that. So what I'm gonna do basically here, so as you can see that this is our product title. So here I'm gonna add some bullet point of the product, like free shipping, something like that. And then here our product description, and then at the bottom we have kept our 10% off coupon code. So you can see this coupon code here, get 10% off. And also here I put it the you may also like. So I'm gonna keep it at the very bottom. So after the section I'm gonna keep the review section. So as you can see, let me go to the product page, and from over here I'm gonna actually change that. Okay, so to do that, let's go to the product, and then I'm gonna go to the default product, and after that I'm gonna scroll down at the very bottom. So as you can see, this one, so you may also like, I'm gonna keep it where it is. So this one, product recommendation, I'm gonna keep it at the very end. So I should keep it very end. So as you can see, it's showing very end. So first of all, what I put it, so first of all product, and then customer review, and then after that frequently asked question, and then you may also like. Okay, so let's click the save option from here. So after that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually refresh the page. Okay, so as you can see, this is my store. So what I'm trying to do, so guys, that's the main thing. So first of all, you should keep the product information, and then after that you try to keep some discounts so that you can take people attention. After that, try to keep the review, customer review, so that the customer build trust with you. And then after that, keep some frequently asked question, like some question people might have, like shipping policy, return policy, order tracking system, how you actually set up this one. So and then also at the bottom, keep some products so that they are also buy your product from over here. So guys, I hope you completely understand how you can actually create a high converting product page using Shopify. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in future what type of content you are looking for, let me know. And one more thing, so if you actually want to create similar or like this website, or if you want to optimize your website, just visit my agency website.com. I will give this link in the video description, and then you can directly visit. And then if you have any question, book a call with me, or I will actually keep the WhatsApp messaging system, and then you can directly message with me on the WhatsApp. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.